In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the seat when it's stuck in recline. Step 1 is to remove that screw using this size. This is size 30. Using the same tool, step 2 is to remove that screw. After removing the screw, pull on it gently. Step 3 would be to pull this in an upward motion at an angle. But before pulling, make sure you take this out. I'm going to remove that device and replace it with this one that I bought from Amazon. And this is not sponsored. To remove this device from its housing unit, I used a key to basically pry it out. You could use a flathead screwdriver or any flat device you could find. To disconnect this device, you push down right here and you pull apart. You just push this down. Make sure you have both separated so you do not forget which one is new and which one is old. After connecting the new device, make sure you turn on your vehicle, then test to make sure it's working. To show you that it's working, I think my aunt will be proud of me, and so will my uncle be. Now I will show you how I assemble it back together. So basically align it, and yep, see how I pushed it down, and the last step is to put the switches back on. If it's your personal vehicle and things fall out and break, I personally do not worry about them. This vehicle is for my aunt. I don't think she would care that much. But if it's for a customer, make sure you're transparent with the customer. In the process of fixing this, I cracked that and I broke that. However, the seat works now. But yeah, just make sure you order a new piece on Amazon. This concludes my tutorial on how to fix the 2018 Chevy Traverse when it is stuck in the recline mode.